Hello everyone and welcome back to Into the Radius. So it looks like we got 3 missions. We were able to take care of the last one in the last episode, so let's go ahead and head out and see what items we need to pick up. Alright, let's head out. Into the Radius! Oh, of course it's nighttime. Alright, so let's see, we got 3 missions. Let's closest one. See if we can't find something good. Yeah, alright, let's head out. Alright, so I was told when looking things up online that if you just continuously try to open these, they will open. So let's see. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay, I used my trigger and my grip button.
This is UNPSC Emergency Guidance Recording L1-61. If you are listening to this, you are most likely suffering from one or more of the following conditions: a sense of displacement, disorientation,
Oh, okay. I was wondering where that clicking was coming from. No, I was told that I don't have to take care of these guys. But honestly, it's just kind of annoying to hear them clicking. You know what? Yeah, we're going full, I can't remember the name of the game. We're calling them clickers. Alright, looks like we're on the trail of an artifact. There we go, boys. Let's see what we got. Oh, another one of these concentric ring things. Yep, same thing that we got before. Cool, cool. I gotta get out of this mess. Whoa, shoot! Oh my gosh, I didn't see that guy. That freaked me out. Come on, give me a gun. That was terrifying. Since this was clicking, I guess this is one of those ones that it was warning me about that can heal other clickers? I don't know. Whew! That really got me. Didn't see him at all. Another thing? There's another invisible guy? Something in this direction. I hope it's an artifact. Well, we made it to Area 2, but I don't think we're supposed to be here yet. We don't have a gas mask, and I don't have armor-piercing rounds for what looks like that guy's armor, so we're gonna head back. Nope, bad. Okay, I think this is what we're looking for. So I found an artifact, but I also found my objective. Come on. Hold on a second. The neon. Cool. It's a couple $100. Alright, let's get out of here. Well, I'd like to go in there, but a gas mask, which I can't buy till I'm at level 1 security, or 2 or something like that, so I'm not going to go up there. My objective, I think, is Pat anyway. I'm sure you do have that artifact. Are you kidding me? I lied. Looks like this is where my objective is. No, that way. Oh, there it is. Ha! I'm all trying to get close to the gas. Come on, there we go. Alright. Job number 2. Done. Cool, cool. Let's go and finish job number 3. We can loot this bunker while we're at it. We already killed off everything in here, so there shouldn't be anything. Whoops. Something's coming. Be nice if I could grab my gun. Ah, invisible one. You didn't scare me like your brother did. Taken care of. So I already looted this place last night, but I don't know, maybe I missed something because it was dark. I was trying to get out of there pretty quickly. Found ourselves our second crate now. We know how to open them. There we go. Yeah. Get some ammo. Even if we're not using this stuff, apparently it's worth some good money. Some decent money, I guess. Grenade. Alright.
So great.
Crate number 3.
Quiet.
Dang.
Looking
I've been
nice
missing
to
out
move
on all these crates this whole time. You can replace the shotgun that I threw over my shoulder and lost. Another Makarov mag. Oh, check that out. So you eat the sunflower seed, and then... That's awesome. Nice game mechanic. I appreciate that. Oh, we found another recording. Listen to that back at the bunker. Alright, crate number 4. Now that I can open these things. Ooh, stim pack, definitely. These things are expensive and I keep using them because I suck. Alright, I think we looted this place dry. Let's move on. Alright, those guys got guns. Oh, they're gonna shoot at me. I don't want to have to deal with that right now. So we're just gonna try and run on through. Yee! There we go. Oh shoot, they can still see me. That's not good. Oh, I'm out of stamina. Not good. Alright, he's behind a rock. So we just gotta get around there. I might come back and take care of him, but honestly, it's not my objective right now. Oh, it's gotta be this house, yeah. Oh, so I guess they are kind of part of the house. Okay. Make sure your stuff attaches when you try and put it on your chest, because I just spent 5 minutes looking for this thing because I dropped it when I went to check. There, it's attached. For goodness sake. Better shot than I thought I was. Now, so far there's been a lack of clickers. Oh, there's one of them. I don't know if I'm getting better at seeing these invisible ones or I'm just getting lucky, but where'd he go? There he is. Nice. Alright, we gotta reload some ammo. Oh, that's it. Oh, that guy. Nice. One bullet. I'll take it. Oh, I thought this guy was a shooter. Alright. Where did this come from? Where did this come from? I just reached up for my flashlight and I pulled out my long lost shotgun. Where did this go? How did I get it? Whatever. It's here now. Cool. Of course. Maybe it can go in the mystery pocket. Yep, apparently my right shoulder. Oh, for goodness sake. Alright, well, this is my third gun in the game. This is the Soviet World War II era pistol. Cool. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Don't know how to get out. I have all my objectives finished, but I can't get out of this lake. I'm screwed. Holy crap. There's literally, you get stuck, you go into the menu, and you hit unstuck. That's crazy. Crazy useful, because I was literally about to quit the game. Alright, let's get home now. Alright, 3 successful missions, we got unstuck from the pond, and we are out of the radius. Alright, well I feel that was a pretty successful run. Grab some cash, sell some stuff, and call it a day. Thank you for joining me in the radius. Goodbye.